Yeah, thank you for the opportunity to present our project, Grid Strength Metrics and Evaluation in Converter-Dominated Grids here today. My name is Imgart. I'm from Chalmers and work there as a project assistant. But later today, Peyuan, our project leader, will also be here when he's done with his teaching. And you can see Massimo back there, who's also supervisor in this project. Our project started in February this year and will go on until the end of next year. And to explain what we are dealing with, I would like to use the title of the project and start in the back. Converter-dominated grids. Why are we concerned about this? In the future power system, we will have a lot more of converters. Might it be in distribution grids, like PV or wind turbines, which connect with converters to the grid and not synchronous machines? Or in transmission grids, where we will have a lot higher penetration of HVDC, which is also converters. So it's very important to see what do these converters do with the grid. And one thing we are concerned about, or we're interested about knowing, is the grid strength. So that is the capability of the power system to withstand disturbances. And not only in a specific operating point, but in all the different operating points that we might have in the system. So that was really what we mean with grid strength. And of course, we want to be able to compare, to quantify this grid strength somehow. So we are interested in finding metrics for it. There are some existing metrics, like kinetic inertia for frequency strength, or short circuit capacity for voltage strength, but those take assumptions that base largely on the synchronous machines we have today in the power system. And they might not be true in the converter-dominated grids, or as we have found already, they don't work very well with converters, so we are looking for new ones. With our project, we hope to deepen the understanding of the effects of more converters in the power grid. We want to capture the system strength in simple metrics that represent the different technologies fairly. And through that, we want to facilitate the grid integration of a higher share of converter-based generation and HVDC links. And ultimately, of course, we want to contribute to secure, safe, and reliable grid operation. Thank you very much.